Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to log into the SSH session using PowerShell without entering the username and password. This video I especially created for the system admins who's using the SSH session for the daily BU operations. Once you copied the putty, the software location, you can create a command line for the SSH auto session. Just this is my username, my Linux username and my Linux password, and this is my Linux system IP address. Just copy this command and execute on the command prompt. It will automatically open the putty session and it will fulfill the username and password. Yes, we can see I'm able to log in my system. Now every time we are entering the username and password here, suppose if I want to log into the multiple systems, multiple IP address using the same username and password, we are going to automate through PowerShell. I created a PowerShell script for the SSH auto login, and this first two lines you can execute it only for the first time. This will help you to create the password encrypted file. Let me copy the line 1 and go to the new PowerShell window. Then paste it. Just click the run button. It will prompt for you the Linux password. I already have the Linux password is Linux 123. I'm just entering that. It will take your password as an input file. Once it takes your input, then execute the second one. It will create you the encrypted password file. Just execute it. Now you can see there is a password file has been created. If you open this password file, you can see this is an encrypted format. So the raw password, it can be converted into the encrypted one. So for the security purpose, so I'm converting my password into as an encrypted password file. Now I'm going to use this password file, my password file in the script, which will help to encrypt and decrypt the password in the PowerShell. Once the password file is created, you can command out these two lines. This is not needed for the every execution. This is only for the first time. In this file, in this line, I am reading this password content and storing into this variable. Using this function, I am converting this password file content into the decrypted password, which will help me to read my password into the actual format. I am passing this password into my SSH auto login line, so it will decrypt my password in this section. I am having these two functions for reading my input in the input box. So once the script is ready, now we can go and execute this script. Sometimes PowerShell might throw the error. So to fix that, go to the PowerShell, right click as a run as administrator and execute this command. Then click yes. Once this is done, execute your PowerShell now. It will prompt for your IP address. So now I can able to type my IP address 192.168.1.101. Once I click OK, it will automatically open my putty SSH session. Yeah, you can see I'm able to log in automatically. Also you can see it is converted my password into encrypted format into decrypted format. The same script, which is available in the video description link, you can download it for your reference. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.